Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to layer audio tracks in DaVinci Resolve. This is incredibly useful when you're working with multiple sound effects, dialogue, or music on the same track and need the flexibility to edit each one independently without creating dozens of separate tracks. Let's start by opening your DaVinci Resolve application. Once it launches and you have your project loaded, direct your attention to the bottom of the interface where you'll see several workspace options. Click on Edit. This switches you into the editing workspace where all your timeline and audio tools are accessible. Now that you're in the edit workspace, look toward the top menu bar and click on View. A drop-down menu will appear with various display options. From this menu, locate and click on Show Audio Track Layers. This is a crucial step because it enables the layer visibility for your audio tracks, allowing you to see and manage multiple audio clips stacked on a single track. With audio track layers now visible, head back to the top menu bar again. This time click on Timeline. Another drop-down menu will open. From here, navigate to Audio and then select Layered Audio Editing. By enabling this feature, you're telling DaVinci Resolve to allow multiple audio clips to exist on the same track simultaneously rather than pushing them to new tracks when they overlap. Here's where the magic happens. Now you can drag multiple audio files directly onto one track, and they'll stack on top of each other in layers. Each audio clip remains individually selectable and editable. To move or edit any specific clip, simply click on it. You'll be able to adjust its position, trim it, apply effects, or change its volume without affecting the other layered audio on that same track. This gives you much more control and keeps your timeline cleaner and more organized. And that's it. You've successfully enabled layered audio editing in DaVinci Resolve, giving you the flexibility to manage complex audio arrangements efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.